Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a first impression on this eyeshadow palette by Kalon Kosmetics, Achelois Goddess Collection Volume 1, as well on this blush that I've got from them. This one, it's called Georgia Peach. It's a beautiful color. Then I have a liquid lipstick. This one, it's a beautiful red shade and it's called Scarlet. And then I've got a free product, a lipstick, and this one, it's called Innocent. It has like beautiful peachy color, which is amazing now for the summertime. Now, a small background on the Kalon Kosmetics. They are an indie makeup brand, and the sale of this palette benefits the American Autoimmune Related Disease Association, which is a non-profit private organization dedicating to addressing the problem with autoimmunity and the major cause of the chronic diseases. Also, an information sheet you can see here on your screen. This was sent to me with the makeup products that I've ordered from them. They also sent me a thank you card with the products, and it says like that, Achelois. This is actually my whole name. Thank you for shopping at Kalon Kosmetics. Your support has been phenomenal and we're so grateful. We hope that you enjoy your new products and know that 20% proceeds from the Achelois palette goes to the American Autoimmune Related Disease Association, Kalon Kosmetics. It's really cute and very thoughtful. So now I say we just jump right into using this palette, and I'm going to have some swatches as well for you to see all of the shades. So here we have the palette. Is made out of cardboard and it has this beautiful turquoise color, and here on the back it says Achelois is a minor Greek goddess who identified with the moon, often sought after for healing and comfort. The Achelois palette was created with a commitment to find more assistance and research for those who live with autoimmune disease. We dedicate this palette to those who live with autoimmune disease and hopes to bring more awareness. It's talc-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and no animal testing, which is a plus, of course, I think for almost everyone nowadays. So it comes with a mirror. As you can see, it has this protective plastic on it. And then here you have the shades. They are so nice, very beautiful, and as you can see, you can swatch the colors if you want and make your own palette, because these eyeshadows, you can take them off. It is a magnetic palette, so you won't have like any problem or you know, to be afraid that they might come off or something like that. So I'll place that again back like that, and it also comes with this magnetic I don't know, thing here, so it closes. Okay, so now I'll swatch the colors for you, and the first shade that I will be trying, it's called Oak, and it has somehow a brownie color, as you can see. The second color, it's called Wisteria, and it's somehow a purple shade. Then the third color, it's called Ivy, and it's somehow a bit shimmery. So here we have it. So it's a very deep green shade. Now the fourth color, it's called Chime. It's a gray one, very nice. Now moving to the next shadow, we have the Silver Fox. It's again a gray shadow with some shimmer, very nice, very creamy as well. Then we have Healer, and this one, it's a gold shimmery eyeshadow. Just look how pretty that is. It's just beautiful, very nice. The next color, it's called Divine, and it's somehow a purple shadow with shimmer in it. Wow, insane. Just look how pigmented that shade is. Amazing, very nice. Then we have Siren, and it's somehow a blue shade again with some shimmer in it. Wow, crazy. Just look how beautiful that is. Now moving next, we have Lunar, and this one seems to be like beige somehow. Yeah, I think it's more of a beige color again with some shimmer in it. It's beautiful, you know, like a base color to use. Very nice. Then we have Oracle, and it's a purple shade, a matte one. Look how nice that is. Very beautiful. Then we have Eucalyptus, and it's somehow a green matte shade. Very beautiful. And the last color that I have, it's called Soothe, and it's a matte dark blue shade. Very beautiful. Okay, so here we have all 12 eyeshadows. Very beautiful, very pigmented as well. You can create beautiful combinations. Okay, so now I say I'll just jump right into it and create an eye makeup look. So I'll take first a fluffy brush, and I'll use this one by BH Cosmetics in the number 5. And I'll take the shade Lunar, this beautiful beige color. And that I'll apply it all over my eyelid and here to my brow. Now using the same brush, I'll take the shade called Oracle, and that I'm going to apply it on my crease, and I'll blend it upwards. Okay, so I really like this purple shade. It's very nice. Now for next color, I think I'll go in with this one, which is called Divine. And I'll take a small brush. This one, it's from Real Techniques. It's called Shading Brush. And I'll take this shade just a little bit on my brush, tap the excess off, and I'll apply it here on the outer part of my lid. So it's super pigmented, but it blends very easy. Now I'll use a flat brush, and I'll take this one by Zoeva in the number 234. I'll go in and use the shade called Healer, which is this beautiful golden shade, and I'll apply it here on my eyelid next to the shade called Divine. They apply so easy. I haven't wet my brush. I haven't used any Fix Plus or anything like that. And the colors, the shimmers applied so easy, and the blend very beautiful. It's really nice. I do like the shades. It's beautiful. Okay, so and now as you can see, I am trying to blend the two colors together here in the middle, so there won't be like a harsh line between them. Okay, now using a super small brush, I'll use this one by Dior. I'll take the shade called Silver Fox, and that I will apply it here on the inner corner of my eye. And on my lower lash line, I will use again the first shade that I've used on my crease, this one called Oracle. Okay, so far I do like the palette. The colors applied are very nice, very smooth. I've blended them without any problems. Now to complete my eye look, I'll use some mascara, and I'll take this one by Maybelline, and I'll apply it on my upper and lower lashes. Okay, so now let's complete the face, and I will be trying the blush that I've got from Kalon Kosmetics. As I said, this one, it's called Georgia Peach, and it's in the number 46. So this is how it looks like. It's a beautiful peachy shade. So here it is. Look how pigmented that is, super crazy. So now to apply my blush, I'll take this super fluffy brush from Morphe and Jeffree Star. It's in the number JS2, and I'll take some of this blush here on my brush, tap the excess off, and let's see now. Wow, just look, oh my god, just look how pigmented that is. It's just crazy, but nothing that we cannot correct. So I'll just blend that a little bit like that. And now, just to kind of correct that, because it is a little bit too much for me, I'll take a fluffy brush and some of my powder. I'll use on top of that blush, just to kind of, you know, make it a little bit smoother. Okay, so now it looks a little bit better. Okay, so on the blush you definitely need to use a smaller amount on your brush, because it's, as you can see, it's super pigmented, which I like it very much. And I'll use some highlighter and take this one by Morphe, and this one, it's called Spark. I'll take this brush again from Morphe and Jeffree Star, the JS4. Take some of that here and apply it like that. I will move into trying the lipsticks. So as I said, I have a beautiful red shade and this peachy shade, which was sent it for free from Kalon Kosmetics. And I think I'll go in and try first the red one. So on the package it says a weightless and comfortable wear liquid lipstick enriched with pigmentation. Features a long-lasting, lightweight, non-sticky matte finish, transfer-proof, rich coverage, paraben-free and lanolin-free. It's cruelty free as well, and no animal testing was made. It comes in 5.7 grams, and the prices on the products I will be linking down below. So this one is called Scarlet. So let's see. This is how it looks like, and I'll swatch it here on my hand. Just look how pretty it is. So okay, here we have the red liquid lipstick. It has a very creamy formula. It's easy to apply, very beautiful. I do like this red shade. Okay, so now we'll move to the next lipstick, which is this peachy shade, and it's called Innocent. And this is how it looks like. I'll swatch that for you guys. So this is the lipstick. I think this is more of a lip gloss and not so much of a lipstick. So this is definitely a lip gloss. It's more sheer, as you can see. Smells like a cupcake. Really delicious, very sweet. I do like a lip gloss or a lipstick that it has like a sweet scent. Very nice. So here is the lip gloss. It's just amazing. Thank you so much, Kalon Kosmetics, for sending me this lip gloss, and I am obsessed with it. It has like this slightly peachy shade, but it's not too intense. It gives you like this shiny, this glossy effect. It's very beautiful, and I do think it goes very well with the eye makeup look that I've created. What do you guys think, or not? I don't know, just let me know in the comments below. I do like the products that I've tried. The palette is just amazing. It has 12 really beautiful colors, really blendable. They have like this creamy finish. They're easy to apply. They're super pigmented. Also the liquid lipstick and the lip gloss that I'm wearing right now are just amazing, super easy to apply. As well, the blush, I really like it, and I think it's perfect, you know, now for the summer. I suggest you guys go and visit their website. I will be linking everything down below. Also, if you want to buy something, you can use my code, which is IHE85, and you will have a 15% off on your buys. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you like the eye makeup that I've created using the Achelois eyeshadow palette, as well as the lipsticks that I've used and the blush. As always, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!